There was a time when silence felt peaceful, but now it feels heavy. Conversations turn into arguments. Small issues explode into painful words, and both of you wake up already tired of trying. Fighting every day as a couple slowly drains love, replacing it with resentment and emotional distance. Jesus sees not only the conflict, but the wounds beneath it, unspoken fears, unmet needs, and hearts longing to be understood. Scripture reminds us, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. Psalm 34, verse 18. God is not distant from your marriage struggles. He is present in the tears you hide and the prayers you struggle to finish. Even when love feels fragile, His nearness remains steady. Many conflicts grow when patience runs out. The Bible teaches, be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love. Ephesians 4, verse 2. This does not mean ignoring pain or accepting harm, but choosing humility over pride and understanding over winning arguments. Jesus invites both hearts to soften, even when it feels unfair to be the first to change. When anger dominates, peace seems impossible. Yet Jesus offers a different way. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God. Matthew 5, verse 9. Peace does not mean the absence of problems, but the presence of Christ guiding your responses. Healing begins when both of you stop fighting each other and start seeking God together. This morning, Jesus reminds you that your relationship is not beyond restoration. Love can be rebuilt, trust can grow again, and communication can be healed. Surrender the daily battles to Him. When Jesus stands at the center, even broken relationships can find new life.